this our right kidney or our left kidney?
It was our right one.
Okay. Okay, so, alright, the way this kidney is supposed to lay in here, it's supposed to lay like this, okay? So our goat right now is laying on its left side is on the bottom and its right side is laying up. So this is our right kidney. Other way that you can tell it's the right kidney is because the right kidney lays more cranially and the left kidney lays more medial in the body, okay? So you pull the kidney out. You should have this right here is the renal artery and the renal vein. They're together with each other, okay? And this is your ureter. Your ureter is what takes urine from the kidney to the bladder, all right? This crevice right here is called the renal hilus, okay? So we open this up, all right? And our goat, this white or this lighter part on the outside is our cortex. And then this dark part right here is the medulla. In the horse, it's reversed, okay? Because the horse is always stupid and it always changes things, all right? Okay, so this is the medulla. Right here is the papillae, okay? The papillae is actually kind of what starts funneling blood, or funneling urine. We don't want to funnel blood, that'd be bad. Funneling urine out of the kidney, okay? So the next thing that it would go to is the renal sinus, okay? But you can't identify the renal sinus, you'll just have to know that. And then that drops down into the renal pelvis. The pelvis is what's on the inside, okay? So it's this bottom part here. The hilus is what's on, is this part right out here, okay? So hilus, pelvis, okay? And then you see this little flappy part right there that kind of flaps up? That's the crest, okay? And that's it, other than having to identify on that diagram over there of the nephron, because the nephron is a functional unit of the kidney, okay? And we can't see that here, so, but it'll be on that diagram over there. But from here,
Where is it?
It's right over there where Bailey's at. Okay.
What is that outside tissue holding it?
That means we're sorry. I'm sure. I don't know. I didn't.
The fibrous capsule. Capsule?
You can look it up.
I think
We'll
that's
find out.
it.
That's it, fibrous capsule.
Fibrous capsule. Okay. So this little connective tissue has a name, and you'll probably have to know it. I'm sure. Just like everything else that has a connective tissue. Okay. So from the ureter, a ureter is what takes urine from the kidney to the bladder. Okay. So we'd follow our ureter back.
Yeah, it's fibrous.
Okay. And I'm trying to find the ureter that got cut. But if not, we'll follow this one. Okay, so here's the ureter of the left one. Okay. And it goes back in here into our bladder. Okay, from our bladder, the next thing is the urethra. Okay. So the ureter is what takes urine from the kidney to the bladder, and then the urethra is what takes urine from the bladder out of the body. Okay? The next thing is that where the little probe go? Okay, so this little thing right here, but you can also see that little guy that I'm pulling up and down. That's our adrenal gland. Okay, so adrenal gland is responsible for releasing the fight or flight response. Okay, and then that's pretty much it for the renal system, other than going over the nephron.